Okay, so we got this question. If P is a point on the parabola, so we have a parabola, you know it is like upper opening parabola. Let's draw this curve. Okay, so we have a point on this parabola. Suppose this is the point. Okay, so let's draw that point. Okay, leave. Suppose this is the point. Okay, it looks ugly, but I'll draw again. Okay, so this is the point. We have a point on the parabola, this. So point P is what? You know that whenever there is requirement of imagining a point, we should imagine it in parametric form. So I'll assume x to be t, so y will be t square plus 4. Okay, now which is closest to the straight line this? So suppose this is the straight line, y equals to 4x minus 1. Now try to understand this thing. So if they will talk about the shortest distance, closest straight line, so they are talking about distance. So you know that whenever they will talk about shortest distance, we have to think about common normal. Okay, so suppose that we want common normal. Common normal means what? Like this thing. Okay, so suppose that, don't you think that your this line and this tangent will be parallel, because shortest distance will be derived along common normal. Common normal means you will have a normal on this line as well as on this tangent. Okay, so tangent at point P will share the same slope as this thing. Okay, so let's try to find out slope of the tangent at point P. Okay, now how we will find out the tangent? Like you know it is like t equals to 0, you will get equation of tangent. So it is y. Okay, so you can go with y plus y1 t square plus 4 by 2 is equal to x1, okay, plus 4. Now let's multiply both sides by 2. So we will have y t square plus 4 2xt 8. Okay, now y will be equal to what? 2xt minus t square plus 4. Now according to you, what is the slope of your line? Y equal to mx plus c. So m decides the slope. So what is the slope? Can I say that slope is 2t? So according to our line, the slope is 2t. And you know that slope will be equal to this line slope. So what is the slope of this line? It is 4. Correct? So I'll equate it with 4. So we got t as 2. The moment you got t as 2, don't you think you have to update your point P? So it is 2 comma 8. Correct? Now you got point P. Now you have to find then the coordinate of point P. So you got your point P. Done. So if they will talk about the shortest distance, you will go with point satisfaction upon root over a square plus b square with this line. I hope the idea is clear.